Expanding to Amazon Netherlands is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you pro countries to start with first on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central, then you're going to go to the tab of inventory and sell globally. When you go here, you can drop down and you can see the Europe tab, and this is where you want to expand. So you can expand to Netherlands. Not only are you going to get access to Netherlands, but you'll get access to a lot of other countries as well. Just simply create a European selling account right here and register it. Now to register it, all you really need is a bank account statement, a credit card statement, you may need a utility bill, and a passport. Make sure that your name on your passport matches the same exact name on your utility bill, your bank account statement, and your credit card statement. And once you go through that process, then you're going to have a little check mark for Europe. Not only are you going to have access to Netherlands, but you're going to have access to Poland, Sweden, Belgium, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and the UK. So you're gonna have access to a lot of countries. And the next step is to create new listings. You can apply for VAT and then stay informed with Brexit, which is mainly for the UK. Now, the next step is to actually create the listings in Netherlands. You're going to see a drop down here, and you should have access to Netherlands. And then you can go there. If you already have listings in the Netherlands, I recommend to delete them and then to recreate them. Again, to recreate your products in the Netherlands, pretty much what you're gonna do is just type in the same ASIN that you utilize to sell your products in the US, and then your item should show up. If your item doesn't show up, then what you can do is you can create your listing from scratch and utilize the same exact UPC code that you have in the US. Recreate it with the same exact UPC code in the Netherlands, then all of the reviews and the rankings are going to transfer over, and you know how valuable those Amazon reviews are. So I highly recommend you do that. Once you're done that, the listings should be set up just like this, and then you can convert it to Amazon FBA, change the fulfilled by Amazon. So go ahead and do that. Once you're done that, you can start creating your shipment. So you're just gonna click the button to ship the items in to Amazon, and then you're going to utilize UPS to help with that. Amazon's going to give you their special barcode, but they're not going to give you a shipping barcode from the US to the Netherlands. You're going to have to use a service like UPS to help you get that. So you're going to get that from UPS, you're going to slap that on your box, you're going to have your Amazon barcode on the box. Once you get that UPS tracking, then you're simply going to go to inventory, manage FBA inventory, and then put that tracking number in Amazon. So that way Amazon is aware once it arrives and everything matches up. And an important note, when you do ship from Amazon or from the USA to Netherlands, you're going to need two things. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need your VAT number, and that's just for taxes. And the second thing you're going to need is your EORI number, which is for customs, for actually checking in your goods. So to get your VAT number, you can usually get it directly from Amazon, and all you have to do is go into your search bar, type in VAT, and then you should see something that's manage your VAT or file your VAT. And then Amazon has partners that can help you with it. And then you can see registration is complete, and you can get those documents for the VAT number. You can also get the EORI number. So you can do EORI number in Netherlands. You can just Google that, and then you can apply to get an EORI number. And again, that one's just for customs. The VAT number is mainly for taxes. Once you're done that, now you just wait for the items to become available in Netherlands. Once it's available, then you can start selling. Right now you can see we have 150 units inbound, so right when it's checked into Amazon, we're good to go and we can start selling. Now for staying toward the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you my recommendations on the top 5 countries to expand to first. And of course, number 1 is going to be the US, number 2 is going to be UK, number 3 is going to be Canada, then Australia, then Singapore. Those are my top 5 because those are all English speaking countries and their main language is English. And that way it's going to be a lot easier to expand to these countries because you don't have to deal with translations, and it's going to be a lot easier to understand their policies since everything is default in English. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I recommend you subscribe to this channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you with your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help expanding internationally or anything Amazon, just contact EHP Consulting Group. Our website's right in the description and you can schedule a call right away. Our #1 service is full account management, but we'll manage your account. We'll help you expand internationally to Netherlands, France, UK, Italy, Japan, and much, much more. But most importantly, we're going to be managing your account, making sure everything stays up to date and helping you increase your sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.